Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you that how can you leave your Google Classroom as a student. So let's begin with the video. First of all, you have to open your menu and go straight towards your Classroom app. So after opening your Google Classroom app, you'll see this interface. And in this interface, you'll find three dots in the right of your classroom. Simply tap on it and it will give you more options like unenroll and report abuse. Tap on unenroll now, click on unenroll again, and you'll leave your Google Classroom immediately. This is very much simple and a pretty easy process. I hope you like the video, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. By following these steps, you will be able to leave your Google Classroom immediately. Thank you.